Hi guys, I'm really excited because I just received these wireless microphones for viewing purposes, and I think they are really nice because, as I said, they are wireless. They have noise reduction and you can use them for live streaming, some interviews, doing some blogs, or some video recordings, which I think it's great. They've come in this travel package, which I think it's nice. It has the design in here, so let's open it up. And first thing we see is the main units. They look kind of like earbuds, but here they are. Okay, 1 and 2. They say charging case that uses Type-C charging port to use it, and we have different accessories to use with our wireless microphone. This is for iPhones. And here we have some laces for our microphones, as you can see. They have this zip so you can place it securely so they won't fall, which I think is nice. We get these filters so we can place them over our microphones, as you can see, just like this. As you can see, now it's with the filter. It has one for each one of the microphones, which is great. Here's the other one. We also get the charging cable. Okay, it's a USB Type-C to USB-A, and we have this auxiliary cable to connect them, which I think is really nice. Okay, we also get the instruction manual, so let's take a quick look to it. We have different modes. We have a noise reduction mode, a reverb mode, or a muted, okay, which I think it's nice. This receiver is for the cameras. Okay, when we are gonna use it with a camera, we are gonna use it with this receiver, okay, which I think is excellent. So I'm gonna test it out and see how they work. Okay, come on. Okay, so we're gonna take one of the transmitters and the receiver. I'm gonna plug it in into my cell phone, and we can see that it automatically detects it and turns it on. Okay, and with this button we can adjust the volume of the microphones depending on what we need. It's how we're gonna use it. I'm gonna first test it out like this, and I'm gonna change the camera. Okay, so right now I'm with the microphone. As you can see, it's really nice. You can place it in your lap like this, or over like this, or you can even have this magnet sided like this and hang it around your neck, and this flows it in. Or if you want to be interviewing someone, you can just take it with you like this. Now you can have it like this and move it around, taking it making some questions or anything, which I think it's really nice. And overall, I like them a lot. I think they are really nice. As you can see, you have included a um, Lightning port and USB-C port receivers, which I think it's a nice option. Having this chance to use it with your cell phone or with your professional camera, which I think it's really nice. Overall, I like them a lot. They have some functions that I find quite nice, like the noise reduction and the reverb function, which I think it's excellent. It has a nice design overall. The charging case, the proper microphones, they have an amazing design, and I will really recommend them. See you guys.